Hey, what's up guys? Just got some new Rotopax on the Jeep. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this guy up and then we're headed to the house. I'll show you guys. All right guys, so these are the PAX mounts here. I've got two of them. We have two different locks, two different sets of keys. Unfortunately, I would like to have both on the same keys, but it is what it is. But they're pretty easy to work. Basically, all you have to do is rotate it and the whole cylinder comes out just like that. Pretty neat. And then you set that off to the side and then you can basically loosen it up like so, and then until it kind of cinches out of that, comes out of the slot just like that, and then now you can pull off the pack. Pretty simple. I'm just gonna set it right here on the floor and we'll do the same, and then I'll talk to you about the mounts. I really like these mounts. They're so convenient, and I mean the quality, you can just feel in the quality. It's so good to have a nice set of pack mounts. Don't cheap and don't skimp on these mounts, guys. You definitely want to get some good mounts, especially if you're going to have them on the tailgate. All right, so here is the mount that I basically bolted the Rotopax mounts to. I had to drill 8 holes onto this piece of 3/16 mild steel, and I welded it to this box frame. On the back, there is some 1-inch pieces of square tubing. I don't know if you could see that back there, but that's more additional support. It's basically just 1.5 inch tubing boxed in, and then I drilled 4 1-inch holes to get to the back of the tubing to bolt, drill 4 more additional holes. I think they were like 3/8 to get to the hardware in the back here. As you can see, there's 4 Allen cap screws, and then I also added some of these black end caps. I also took some rubber, like foam material in the back, so if I take this off, you know, my paint's not going to be damaged and stuff. So I actually used the top and the bottom rubber pieces that came off the original spare tire carrier mount. So I repurposed those for this mount, and then I added some additional foam on both sides. So it's definitely protected on the back of the paint if I decide to take this off later. It's pretty solid mount. Like, this thing is super solid. Those packs are definitely not going nowhere. As far as rigidity and strength, this thing is definitely going to be built tough. So yeah, that's pretty much the mount. Very simple to go on. And then you basically just turn this in. There's a square slot that goes into that slot, and you just hold this straight. So I want it like this, and then you just run it in like that, and it cinches up real nice and tight, so it's on there. And then the same for this one. Let me set it up for you. And I'm doing this with one hand, so, and I want it like that, and then I'll just go ahead and turn this in, lock it in position. Super solid mounts, guys. And then I'll just go ahead and put my keys back in. Very nice finish on the Rotopax mounts. And then you have 2 sets of keys for each mount. So I'll keep this in like a mole pack somewhere inside the Jeep. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys like the mount and the packs. I've been wanting to do this for a while. You guys already know I've been doing a lot of stuff over here on this Jeep. We have the rack and the tools. I got some videos on that if you would like to check that out on the spare tire carrier setup. I also have a bike carrier that I built for this piece of square tube. A lot of you guys probably already know about that, but I decided to go this route because it was simple, and we have been needing more fuel and water on our camping trips lately. So I can't wait to get some bigger tires for this build. That's my next thing, is wheels and tires. And then I'm thinking about getting those wheels and putting them over there. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments box below. But so far the build is definitely coming along pretty good, I think. We went ahead and powder coated the D-rings like this to match that mount, a little bit darker than the flame red paint, but I kind of like it a little bit dark on the red. And then I'll show you guys the other parts that we did. The fair lead, you saw that in the last video. And then the clevis hook definitely came out really cool. What do you guys think? I'm really liking it. And then also the stabilizer clamp on the drag link, I thought that came out pretty cool too. So, but let me flip you guys around. All right, so in the last video we talked about a giveaway, so I did want to do a giveaway in this one. There's this mole pack that I've been working on. I put my logo on it. I thought it was pretty cool. This was an extra one that I have. I usually keep one of these in all my Jeeps, and I like it because I don't forget a really important tool I like to have on the trail, and that is this soft shackle. Now I put my logo on this sleeve over the soft shackle. It's a 55,000 pound soft shackle, and I really like it how it stows away in this pack because I don't forget it, and it's always going to be in each and every Jeep that I have. So I don't have to like move recover gear from one Jeep to another. I just feel like it's pretty convenient, and I had an extra one here. I would like to give it away to you guys. And it also, inside of that pack, I keep a can opener. It also doubles as like a screwdriver. Just more like prepper survival gear. But yeah, I wanted to give this little kit away. It's already got the P51 can opener by Shelby Co. And I'll do this giveaway. So the deal for this one is the first one that comments in the description box below, go ahead and let me know if you're interested, and that I'll just go ahead and give it to you free of charge. I'll just go ahead and check out the email address in my description box below. Email me that you are interested in this, and I will go ahead and ship it to you. So it'd be the first one who is interested. And the reason why I want to give this mole pack away is just pretty much like an appreciation for my viewers and subscribers. You guys are pretty awesome coming back, watching the videos and things like that. So we just almost hit 10K, so we're almost there, and I just want to give this away in appreciation for 10K. That's pretty awesome. Channel's starting to grow, and I just want to say thank you guys for checking out the videos. You guys all have a good day. Peace out.